Sorry, excuse me. You're not in the queue. You're pushing in.
I'm in the business. I have announced the business before.
They haven't.
They have.
He told you to go at the back.
He has announced.
He told you to go at the back. He told you to go at the back.
No, he doesn't know anything. I came from the counter, he said that.
Talk to him, but don't join this queue, please.
Why should I talk to him? Why shouldn't I talk to them?
No.
I believe on that, what they are saying.
Talk to them, but don't push in the queue, please.
Sorry?
Please, don't push in the queue. Don't push in the queue.
Business, don't you know that?
No, ask them. Ask them. We've been waiting.
No.
We all have been waiting.
Everyone is waiting.
What
does that mean?
We all going to the... Yeah, you have to go back.
Okay, we will.
They're pushing in. We've been joined.
They're dumping you.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
No, I'm traveling business.
Talk to them.
Try to learn to stay in the line.
You also try to learn how, but it is.
Yeah.